the backslash is something we need to understand whether we're dealing with the command line or with the Windows GUI or with PowerShell. Anywhere in Windows, this backslash is an important thing to understand. It actually refers to a directory. It is actually the name of a directory, and we call it the root directory, which is the top level folder on every drive. Now in Linux, by the way, it's a /. And in Linux, each drive doesn't have one. There's one overall root directory for all drives. But in Windows, each drive has one individually. So let's take a look at the get child item. And I'll just say get child item. Now notice I'm parked here in D documents. And when I say get child item, it's going to give me all of the files and folders here in D /documents. This backslash here means that is the root directory of the D drive. So D drive, root directory, and then the documents directory. Now let's just take a look at the root itself. So I'm going to go back down here and I will do the same thing, except this time I will say D:\\. And now I am getting the root directory. As a matter of fact, let's try something interesting. Let's go like this, but take off that backslash. What did I get? Well, I got the D documents. Why? Because I didn't tell it the root directory, and so it just gave me the directory of whatever the current place that I was in. So that's what that backslash is about. Now, let's change. Let's go to CD, which is an alias, by the way. And we will go CD test. I think I have a folder on my D drive called test. So my documents called test. So D documents test. This backslash is the root directory. This backslash has nothing to do with anything. It's just a separator between these two folders. And that's all that is. So understand that these have two very different meanings here.